All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. In this one, we are installing the Huracan Fabrications, or HFAB for short, their 80 series rear tailgate storage mod. So it's going to be a little bit DIY'd. However, the instructions and materials included are most of what you need. Additional things you'll want are an angle grinder, gloves, eye protection, possibly a drill, and a little pry bar. So let's get into it. I'm super excited about this one because we get to convert the tailgate area into usable and lockable storage. So that is very exciting. First thing we're going to do is pry up and get rid of this old carpet. Pretty easy. Don't even need a pry tool. Just pull up and there it goes. Now I'm going to place bolts inside of various holes to line up the template. Take your Sharpie, outline it here. I'm going to make a mental note to cut along the outside of the lines just because I'm not doing the greatest job ever. I mean, how precise does this really have to be? You know, now just using a screwdriver, we're going to remove all of these Phillips heads. So you just, all right, it's time to cut. Make sure you got eye pro, ear pro, and gloves. While we're done cutting, we are going to kind of sand and file down some of these really sharp edges and also clean out all the metal shavings that got, all up in there.
This is considered a cutting wheel. That's why you need a grinding wheel. But even though you could do it with this, you can't do a large amount.
How so? It just wears it down?
Yeah, it takes it. So when you're dealing with stuff where you want to just take it, but you can clean up that edge real nice.
No kidding.
I mean, you'll get those little burrs.
It's a lot better than slicing your hand open, though.
But I mean, if you don't need it, if that's going to cover it, like you probably got to clean that up a little bit. Is that going to pop over the? Is this going to pop over the top? But I mean, this is really risky because you're going to thin out that blade, and you catch into an edge, it'll blow apart and it'll throw shit all over you.
Oh, sure.
So you're going to want to make sure your watch it's got a sapphire crystal, because otherwise you can pit it with the sparks.
Sure.
Number one. Number two, you're going to get these little shreds inside your shirt from that kick out. Those are little pieces of razor sharp needle metal. So wash your shirt and your pants separate from your wife's underwear. Keep two hands on it. Keep a good grip, but just always manipulate it so that it doesn't bind up and it's not creating additional pressure. Because what can happen is you bind it up and then it takes off on you or cuts you.
Yeah.
And you could see how ginger I was with this.
Next, you got to put the bolts in all of the holes and then finger tighten a nut on the end. And because these are lock nuts, the nylon lock nuts, you'll probably need a wrench once you go to tighten them down. We'll set the corners first for the purposes of the alignment. Loctite on the nut. Tighten it just a little bit. Remove this bracket. Mount it up. First, you gotta unlock it, I suppose. And finish her off. Sweet. And lock it up. All right, now that's friggin' awesome. We forgot a bolt in there. All right, so thanks for watching. Before I sign off, I want to thank Huracan Fabrications for sending this out to me at a very discounted price. I'm really excited about it. I think it's perfect, man. It comes in, you can get it carpeted or just have it black powder coated like I got it. But I'd highly recommend this product. This is super cool. I'm really excited about it. Converting the wasted space into usable storage where I can lock it, not worry about it. So that is fantastic. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video. Take it easy.